guys, really excited to do this video here. I want to talk about when to buy on a red day. We always hear people say, buy red, sell green, buy the dips, all of that. But it's so easy to just walk in on a red day and say, oh, I guess I'll buy it. And then, it just goes down further and you're left sitting there going, am I holding a bag? Like, I thought this is what I was supposed to do, right? So anyway, I wanted to talk to you about this. These are two of the new tickers that I'm following, WTER and ADMP. And the reason I'm following them is very simple. They made a golden cross a little while ago. You don't see it on the one-day chart, but just that's why I'm following it. So here's a perfect example. This stock, WTER, went down. You can just see that trend right there on that red line, which is my 20-day moving average. And if you're wondering, well, if this is going to go up, if I feel confident it's going to go up, when do I buy, right? And so that's what I really want to talk about. And so what I do is a lot of times when something's going down, I'll look on the one day at the RSI. That's RSI, Relative Strength Index. See where it goes below this red line, which is at 30. This is what you call oversold, right? Basically, imagine everyone selling it, and then people are like, whoa, we sold too much of it. And then they start buying it back, right? And so RSI will then start saying, wait a minute, we got to get out of this. And this is the important thing right here. What happened, it goes up, and then it comes back down. Notice it made a lower price, right? But it made a higher signal on the RSI. That, for me, is key. That lets me know something's going on. And I can see more of that here on the MACD. You can see throughout the day, it's been kind of going back and forth. But it looks like it's changing its direction here. That's very encouraging. On the slow stochastic, we see again that I'm trying to see. So here, this is oversold. So it has been oversold almost the entire day on the slow stochastic. But look at that. It makes a low, makes an equal low, makes a higher low, comes out of oversold. Now, I will tell you the one day with any sort of an indicator is not something to put all of your eggs in that basket. You should not think there's 100% chance this is going up. It could go back down further, and we would then see another drop in RSI and another higher low. So don't start getting all cocky thinking you've got the market beat. That's not how it works, okay? This is just a strategy for knowing when on a red day to start buying. And I'm going to look at my other ticker that I'm following, which is ADMP, another golden cross. And so here we go, right? Look at this one, though. This went into oversold, made a lower low, and you're thinking, whoa, Jay, don't do that, right? And yet you look over here, and you've got a low in the oversold, higher oversold, higher oversold. So sometimes you'll notice that these indicators don't necessarily match up, right? That's why you have more than one, right? And again, we're seeing a big downward drop, and then look at that, it's coming up. Now, one thing to think about, this one likely could go down again. I don't think it will see it as low on the RSI, but we could see it as low on price because the histograms have kind of evened out. So it could possibly go lower on that MACD. This is when I start seeing these things. This is when I start scaling in. So I wanted to show that with you. I know there was a question, how do you know a dip from a reversal? How do you buy on a red day? This is the way I would approach it, and I would continue doing that as long as I have divergence. That's what this is, divergence on RSI or slow stochastic. I'd continue doing this until something in a longer term time frame, like a 9-month, right? See, I still have a buy signal here on the 9-month, right, on the ADWM, unless it went below that 20, right, the 20-day moving average. See over here, we go below the 20-day. You don't want to get caught up in that. That's a reversal, right? That's a reversal. We are not in a reversal. We are seeing dips, attractive buying opportunities. And on the 9-month, looky there, still heading upward. So just great stuff on these two charts. Really excited about them, especially with the golden cross happening just a few days ago. I'll be adding more new tickers with golden crosses, but this is how to buy on a red day.